A solemn state funeral for national hero Sidney Gata on Saturday turned into a theater of political speculation as Zimbabwe's Vice President Constantino Chiwenga was seen in a deep and intense exchange with the Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander General Philip Valerio Sibanda. The brief but telling moment captured on camera has reignited debates around the simmering succession battle in the ruling ZANU-PF party and the military's ever-looming shadow over Zimbabwean politics. Sanamira mashoko obuda panguva inoi ava nemapictures ari kutendera panonokwa vipi Constantino Chiwenga aiva vari in conversation naPhilip Valerio Sibanda. Vanhu voya aiva vachitaura zvakasiyana-siyana. Don't go subscribe, like it on the bell icon. Tipina panapa unambobuda nyuka mchinzi. Old allies in conversation. Is it a symbol or a strategy? The sight of Chiwenga himself, a retired general, who led the 2017 coup that toppled Robert Mugabe and ushered in President Emerson Mnangagwa in close discussion with the sitting military chief, has added fuel to the growing speculation that all is not well within ZANU-PF's top echelons. Observers note that this is not just a routine encounter between state officials at a national event. Rather, it appears to be a carefully timed demonstration of influence, perhaps a signal from Chiwenga that he still maintains strong ties with the military, ties that played a decisive role in shaping Zimbabwe's current political landscape. Images, especially in politics, are often choreographed and loaded with the subtext. At the Gata burial, Chiwenga and Sibanda were flanked by stern-faced military personnel and security details, a setting that evoked memories of 2017 when the army took center stage in Zimbabwean politics. With the country still reeling from economic hardships, public sector strikes, and growing disillusionment with the post-coup government, the return of military optics to the political arena will not go unnoticed by Zimbabweans or the international community. Ndio mashoko vanhu vanotaura zvakasiyana-siyana after this picture ramuri kuona iri avo ratenderera vipi Constantino Chiwenga vakamira naPhilip Valerio Sibanda in conversation. Imbotiudzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wapinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu, musangana subscribe like wachita kutomba bell icon.